Hi everyone. Today, I'm taking you on a little journey from my hometown Jalan Menteng 7 Medan to a quaint roadside stall. I picked up 3 fresh tomatoes weighing about 3.2 ounces for just 5,000 Indonesian rupiah, which is around 30 cents. Next, I bought 0.1 ounces of dried anchovies for 10,000 Indonesian rupiah, approximately 60 cents. Back in my kitchen, I prepared a simple yet delicious lunch: tomato sambal, fried anchovies. All of this cost me just 15,000 Indonesian rupiah, or about 89 cents. A humble and satisfying meal that warms the heart.